Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. As following in the previous video, you must have watched about that. We are following the weekly art challenges or for my art magazine page, and I'm just making the artwork related to that weekly art challenge. So in today's video, we will going to make a sunset painting as related to the weekly art challenge theme. So let's get started with the video. Before starting with the painting, guys, I just want to tell you what exactly the globoartis art weekly challenge is. It's that on each week there is a new theme, new topic on which you can make any artwork related to whatever medium you prefer, and then post that artwork on Facebook and Instagram using the hashtag globoartis, and I will going to feature your artwork on my art magazine page on Instagram. That is over 30,000 plus followers. I will going to post your artwork in the story and will give you free story shout out whoever will going to participate in this weekly art challenge. And also guys, best of the 3 artworks selected per month will going to be featured in my magazine. So it's a great opportunity for you guys to be featured on my magazine, on my Instagram page, over 30,000 plus followers. So that's what I'm doing in this video. I will going to follow the art challenge theme topic in each and every video that I will be making on this channel from now, and we're going to make an artwork on that. So this week theme is sunset. So I'm gonna make a sunset painting. You can make whatever you want to make in whatever medium related to the sunset. So that's all about in this video. So let's get started with the painting. If you guys really enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for more upcoming art related videos that will be there on this channel. Pencils and struggling with sketching and shading, then this course is definitely for you. I'm starting with this course, Rocket Realistic Drawing Bundle course, and you can get this course at $69. You can watch this video, and if this sounds familiar to you, like confidence, what's that? You have watched many tutorials, followed all of the directions perfectly, but your outcome just doesn't look like theirs. You have invested a lot of time to get it right, but it isn't just working. Use all the tools but didn't get the expected results of your artwork. Thinking I don't have an art degree, that's why I can't draw. Feeling not good enough. Feeling like I don't have right skills and right tools or right technique, then this course is definitely for you. Are you struggling with sketching and shading and don't know how to shade? It's the time to defeat the struggles that stop you from beginning, pause your progress, or bruise your confidence. So this course is exactly for you, and I'm starting with this course, and I will going to discuss each and everything in depth regarding shading and sketching techniques. What are the different tools you need to use and how to get started with that. And you don't need expensive instrument to get started with your own drawing to make a good drawing. And why this course is different? Because it contains all the different stuffs, and I'm talking really in depth, and all thing is completely narrated by me, taking you to each and everything, starting from
picking up the tools to finishing up your artwork step by step, each and everything completely in depth. So it will really going to help you in getting started with your own artwork, and you have full lifetime access to this course, and in future access to my updates to this course as well, and just $69. And then this is the whole my course page. You, along with this course, you have the 4 course, like this is a course bundle, guys. You have 4 courses in this course bundle. One is how to draw the eye, ear, nose, lips. This is the course, these are the 4 courses that are there in this course bundle. Along with that, we have various different bonuses on how to draw and sketch a portrait, and it's just like a complete art course that is really going to help you, talking to you in each and every depth, and what are the tools actually required, and how to shade, how to blend. It's an in-depth course, taking you from step by step. And we are also giving you, and there's the PDF printables, like you have the free ebook PDF on how to shade and sketch, complete portrait tutorial, complete a checklist to keep you on track with your art journey, 4 daily planners, 4 weekly planners, high resolution JPEG printable files of the artworks that I'm using in these courses. And you have full lifetime access and lifetime update to these courses. So these are the tutorials, and we have 14 different modules in this course. So although this course is like $1,200, because if you, this course is a complete bundle of 4 different courses, that is a ear drawing, eye drawing, lips drawing, nose drawing. These are separate courses, and these are at $200, and all the bonus material include, that's the $1,000. So total cost of this course is $1,200, but you only need to pay just $69 to pay this course, to buy this course. And after clicking on this buy this course button, you will get immediately access to all the course materials. You don't need to wait for anything, and this is a full lifetime access. So I am starting with the course this. So guys, if you're really interested in getting started with realistic pencil drawings and how to shade and blend in depth art course, then I'm putting the link in the description. You can check this course and can buy this course and can get enrolled in this course. It will really going to help you a lot. So let's get back into this video.
If you are interested in knowing how we grew our Instagram page from few hundred followers to 30,000 plus followers all organically in just 7 to 8 months without paying for any ads, without buying bots or anything like that. In just 7 to 8 months, all organically fast. If you want to know our Instagram secrets, then I have combined all my Instagram story secrets and post secrets in the free magazine, and there is a link in the description box below. So after watching this complete video, click on that link and get your free magazine copy now. It's a PDF format free magazine copy which you can get it now and can know our deep secrets on how to grow your Instagram page organically fast. So don't forget to get that free magazine copy. The link in the description box below.